Hello and welcome to the fourth week of our workshop series on technology enhanced language learning and integration, or TELI. So just a short introduction to workshop 4. And this week in workshop 4, we will focus on using collaborative digital resources and interactive games and activities to support English language learning. So we will explore some digital tools for working together and for sharing ideas and views. And we try these out with you in the workshop. And then we look at online games and interactive tools to support engagement and language learning. The objectives of workshop 4 are that by the end of this workshop, you will be able to use a range of digital games and collaborative activities with your Fáilte Isteach classes. And we also hope that you will be able to develop your own interactive activities for your classes. So this week, we provide some tips on using accessible digital tools for collaborative learning. And we look at some of those in the workshops. And we also explore digital games and apps and look at how you can create an English language learning activity for your own Fáilte Isteach class. And as usual, there will be reflective activities with feedback. So we do that through the weekly journal. And thank you very much, and looking forward to seeing you in workshop 4.